Lights, camera, action.
Hi, in this video I will explain why initializing a string this way will generate an error. So I have a string, declared my string, and I initialize it directly without specifying any length with this phrase, and then I tried to copy another string to it. The length of the new string is obviously bigger than the previous one, and then I will try to print the result. And here what will happen. So it will generate this error. Even if it printed the new string, it generated this error. What happened here is when I first gave this initial value to my string, at the same time I set its actual size. So since I'm using here a string with 23 characters, the length of the string will be, or the array of char will be of 24 character. The 24 elements will be for the final character of the string. This is why when I will copy bigger strings, I will access to a memory not allocated to this array that will generate an error and may result in unpredicted behavior. This was not the case. I had my entire string printed, but it could be a different result. But the error remain in all cases. And here I will try to print the actual size of my string, and I will see that its length is really inferior to the new string that I want to copy its value to it. So printf %d, since the size is an integer value, size of my string, and I will try to print it before the error. And now, as you can see, its length is 24, and for sure the length of this string will necessitate a bigger array. Bye.